Hi, today I'm for the SONY Xperia 10V and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper section. Just select one from the available folders from which you wanna use the wallpaper, tap to change, and now you'll see here all of the default wallpapers. You could use also photo from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. For example, let's select one from the available wallpapers. You could see the preview, tap on the right down corner to OK and select lock screen. Wait a second, wallpaper set successfully. So let's check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. You could here use and change the position, see the preview, then tap on the right down corner to OK and tap to lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.